Okay, hi guys, it's me Native1 here, and I'm here for the second tin opening. Wind up Zenmaister in again. Yeah. So, gonna get right into it. Remember to watch my Leviathan Dragon tin opening. Yeah, there's the sides of this. Yeah. Get right into opening this. Yeah. Okay, so promo pack first as usual. Zenmaister, Yugioh, Archer, Yugioh, Gaia, and High Duality again. So, thinking about buying the European tins. I'm not sure, but yeah, thinking about it. Oh crap, that's not too good. Yeah. Oh, Legendary 6 Samurai Nishi. That's pretty nice. I wasn't expecting to pull anything out of this at all, but ultra rare is an ultra rare. Even though 6 Samurais have been hit by the ban list pretty badly, there's still 6 Samurais. Second Storm Ragnarok. Rushing's Daredevil. Face down card if it is a holo. Nope. Token Stampede. It's just common. Extreme Victory. Wow, these Extreme Victories have been opening up pretty easily. Huh, interesting. Upside down cards. That's very interesting. TG Striker. Karakuri card. So it could be nope. Was I mistaken there? So yeah. Clean Arsenal Force. Apparently having some trouble with this pack. Commons. Trio White Hook. That's very nice to see. Oh crap. Born as usual, and Genex Ally Receiver. So yeah, I didn't really get that much good pulls out of these. They're mainly pretty boring. Not really much to work with here, but yeah, you just saw Hidden Arsenal got a Nishi and 5 promo cards. Like I said, I'm not really looking for much in here. I just want the promo cards and stuff. So yeah, that's all, and I'll see you guys later and bye.